Garden pathways and borders. Wooden pathways. Materials: use wooden planks, logs, or timbers to create pathways. Ensure they are level and stable to prevent tripping hazards. Design: consider a winding path to encourage exploration or straight paths for a more formal look. Edging. Types: wooden stakes or logs can be used to define flower beds or borders. This helps keep mulch in place and separates different garden areas. Installation: set the edging into the soil, ensuring it is flush with the ground to maintain a neat appearance. Arbors and trellises. Wooden arbors. Design options: choose from simple arches to more elaborate designs with lattice. Arbors can be painted or stained to match your garden aesthetic. Functionality: use arbors to support climbing plants like wisteria or clematis, creating a beautiful entrance or shaded area. Trellises. Materials: build or purchase wooden trellises made of durable wood. They can be freestanding or attached to walls. Plant support: use trellises for vegetables like cucumbers or flowering vines, adding vertical interest to your garden. Decorative accents. Wooden signs. DIY projects: create personalized wooden signs to label different plants, pathways, or garden areas. Use weather-resistant paint for durability. Quotes and art: consider adding inspirational quotes or decorative carvings to enhance the charm of your garden. Sculptures and art. Types of art: incorporate wooden sculptures, carvings, or even birdhouses that add artistic flair to your garden. Placement: position decorative items strategically among plants to create focal points without overwhelming the greenery. Birdhouses and feeders. Birdhouses. Design: choose wooden birdhouses that reflect your garden style. Ensure they have ventilation holes and drainage to keep birds comfortable. Placement: hang birdhouses in sheltered areas or among trees to attract local birds. Feeders. Types: use wooden bird feeders to attract a variety of birds. Consider different styles. Garden furniture. Types of furniture. Benches: opt for rustic wooden benches made from hardwoods like teak or cedar. They can be placed under trees or near flower beds for a peaceful seating area. Chairs: choose comfortable wooden chairs that complement your garden style. Consider Adirondack chairs for a classic look or folding chairs for flexibility. Tables: a sturdy wooden dining table or picnic table can serve as a gathering spot for family meals. Look for tables with weather-resistant finishes. Placement tips: position furniture in shaded areas or near blooming flowers for a relaxing atmosphere. Create a cozy nook with a combination of chairs, a small table, and surrounding plants to encourage outdoor dining or reading. Planters and raised beds. Wooden planters. Types: use cedar or redwood for planters, as they resist decay. Choose designs that fit your garden style. Simple boxes, tiered planters, or decorative styles. DIY options: you can build your own planters using untreated wood for vegetables or herbs, ensuring good drainage. Raised garden beds. Construction: build raised beds using rot-resistant wood. Common dimensions are 4 feet wide and 4 to 6 feet long. Height can vary from 12 to 36 inches. Benefits: raised beds improve drainage, reduce soil compaction, and keep pests away from your plants. Birdhouses and feeders. Birdhouses: build or buy wooden birdhouses to attract birds. They can serve as functional homes for local wildlife and add charm to your garden. Feeders: wooden bird feeders can also enhance your garden's appeal while supporting local bird populations. Fencing and privacy screens. Wooden fences: use wooden fencing to create boundaries and provide privacy. It can also serve as a backdrop for climbing plants. Screens: wooden screens can be used to divide different areas of your garden or provide privacy for seating areas. Maintenance tips: wood treatment: to prolong the life of your wooden decor, treat it with weather-resistant stains or sealants. This protects against moisture, UV rays, and insects. Regular cleaning: clean wooden surfaces regularly to prevent mold and mildew. Use a gentle soap solution and a soft brush. Repairs: check for signs of wear or damage, such as splinters or rot. Address any issues promptly to maintain the integrity and appearance of your decor. Using wooden decor in your garden can create a warm, inviting atmosphere and enhance the natural beauty of your outdoor space. Here are some ideas and tips on how to effectively incorporate wooden decor into your garden: garden furniture, benches and chairs. Incorporate wooden benches and chairs to provide comfortable seating areas. Choose styles that complement your garden's aesthetic, whether rustic, modern, or traditional. Tables. A wooden table can serve as a great spot for outdoor dining or entertaining. Consider a picnic table for a casual vibe or a smaller bistro table for intimate gatherings. Planters and raised beds. Wooden planters. Use wooden planters to house flowers, herbs, or vegetables. They can be functional and decorative, adding height and structure to your garden. Raised garden beds. Build raised beds from untreated wood to grow your plants. This not only improves drainage and soil quality but also adds a rustic charm to your garden. Garden pathways and borders. Wooden pathways. Create pathways using wooden boards, logs, or planks. This can guide visitors through your garden while adding a natural feel. Edging. Use wooden stakes or logs to create borders around flower beds or pathways, helping to define areas and keep mulch or soil in place. Arbors and trellises. Arbors. Install a wooden arbor at the entrance of your garden or over a pathway. It can provide support for climbing plants like roses or vines, creating a beautiful focal point. Trellises. Use wooden trellises against walls or fences to support climbing plants. They can also serve as decorative elements, decorative accents. Wooden signs. Create or purchase wooden signs to label plants, gardens, or pathways. Personalize them with quotes or names to add character. Sculptures and art. Incorporate wooden sculptures, carvings, or decorative art pieces to enhance the visual interest of your garden.